story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, sync, voice-activated command system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps. Inside you'll find smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, cruise control, child safety locks, power steering, cloth seats, rear bench seat. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.